Big, big elephant. Trunk swings low. Stomp your feet. Go, go, go. Small, small mouse. Paws by your nose. Creep around on your tippy toes. Tall, tall giraffe. Reach for the sky. Stretch your arms up. High, high, high. Short, short rabbit. Little rabbit, round and small. Hop, hop, hop like a bouncy ball. Fat, fat cat. Tummy round and wide. Roll your body side to side. Thin, thin snake. Wiggle on the ground. Hissing is the only sound. Slow, slow turtle. Belly on the ground. Creep, creep, don't make any sound. Fast, fast horse. Gallop on your way. Run so fast. Neigh, neigh, neigh. Big, small, short, tall.